Oh, hey everybody. What did the flower say after he told a joke? I'm just pawing your leg. Come on, let's get to work. And so, everybody, here we are at the subscriber garden. Lots of stuff happening. Be here on Tuesday for my garden live. We're going to be putting fence all around the posts here. In the meantime, I have temporarily placed some posts that have some yellow tips on them I painted. And then I've also placed some of the placards that are going to be in the ground when I do the subscriber garden. So let's go check these out. Come with me. So our first stop is going to be at the trellis, because the trellis, of course, is going to be the opening. And you're going to be able to walk in here. Misty from Down Home Misty Style sent me some different kinds of squash. So there's going to be squash here and here. So you can see a post there and a little post there with yellow on it. And if we come over here, we're going to see, let me bring this down a little bit. Misty's Down Home Misty Style. Okay, so that's going to be her placard. And so her stuff, when you walk up here, I'll be taking pictures showing her stuff growing up the trellis. I'm going to have fencing. I have fencing to put on here, and her stuff will climb this trellis. Let's move on down here. This here is for foraging and urban gardening, or homestead. I always mess it up. But then it also says the Hermit House. So it's a very long name. So I'm still working on their placard to go here, their plaque. But theirs will go there. And then whatever they send me, I'll grow a little bit right here between these two posts. Next up, Hardknack Farms. Hardknack Farms, I have some more stuff to put on here. I just started this, and I had just gotten some information from Wendy. But there's the stuff they send me. I will plant a small amount here over to that yellow post there. Next up, Broke but Bountifully Blessed. Carol. Carol sent me a bunch of stuff. So Carol's going to be going here. She'll go in between here and here. And then over here, we have Hearth and Home. Hearth and Home is Mural from Hearth and Home. So you can see her plaque, and then there's a post here and a post here. And then in there, I'll be growing her calypso beans, or trying to. Then, I've never done sunflowers before, but Shannon from Us and Our Bunch, there's her plaque, and then a post there, and down to there. So this will all be sunflowers, and then as they grow, they'll have protection from the wind that I can attach it to the fence here with some cloth. Now you'll see I'm not growing mass amounts of stuff for everybody, because it's a 150 square foot garden. And so I don't have as much room as I would like, because I still have other gardening to do. But as you can see, it's coming along nicely. And I also have overgrowth here. So I made some of these planter boxes. This is also going to be more stuff for sub-garden, so I can make more plaques if I have to, because I do have more people. So I gotta say, I hope you're here on Tuesday. I think I'm doing it at 10 or 11 a.m. It's going to be a nice day. We're going to assemble the fence onto the posts. I have a gate made I can put over here just so you can see it. And then just before spring, I will put my fencing up over here. But that will be the subscriber garden, and I'm really excited about it. And you can see I left a lot of space, and I did that for a reason, because I want to be able to walk up and down. I want to be able to put weed paper down, and I want to be able to easily get in there and cultivate and aerate the dirt and pull weeds without hurting any of the growth. I know it's brown now, but please trust me on this. By March and April, this should hopefully be a lush garden spot. It's going to be beautiful. I'm really excited about it, and I hope you are too. I hope you'll join me on Tuesday as I continue working on this garden and as I continue doing updates. I will see you all in the next one. Have a great day.